Hi everyone, I'm Gloria from Style. Today we're at Panerai's Hong Kong flagship to unbox a special timepiece. We have here with us the Panerai Luna Rossa Chrono Flyback 44mm. The timepiece is a special collaboration with Luna Rossa Challenge, the Italian racing yacht team that's looking to take home a win at the 36th America's Cup. The Italian team first competed for the America's Cup in 2000 and was and continues to be sponsored by fashion house Prada. Hence you'll see Prada's signature red label on the sails and hulls of the boat. Together with Italian powerhouse Panerai, it's truly a fitting partnership for the sailing team. The Luna Rossa 36th America's Cup collection features 4 timepieces, but today we'll focus on the flyback chronograph. The box itself is worth taking a second look at. Created using sail material, it's got the Luna Rossa logo on it. And now for a closer look at the watch. The 44mm case is fashioned out of ceramic. The flyback chrono function is one that's incredibly handy for races. The chronograph hands are activated via the 2 pushers on the left side of the case. What makes this watch really distinctive is its dial. The grains you see across the dial is actually fashioned out of old sails from the Luna Rossa. Red indices on the chronograph hand nod to the Luna Rossa logo and make for a visually powerful contrast against the grey sailcloth dial. On the dial you'll find the words Luna Rossa Challenger 36th America's Cup at the 6 o'clock position. The watch is seen here with a calf leather strap, but it also comes with a second rubber strap. On the black DLC-coated titanium caseback is an engraving of the Luna Rossa racing yacht. This watch runs on an automatic movement with a 3-day power reserve. This watch is presented in a numbered edition of 1,036 pieces worldwide. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you think in the comments below.